Hello there, this is a duplication glitch video, particularly for the disaster relief on-site package. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. We were asked to do a video for the duplication of that particularly, so here it is. Right now it's on our storage. I think, yep, it is right here. We have 48, so we will duplicate this for this video. If you want to see how to duplicate stuff generally for the PS4, we have a video for that. So just a word of warning or note or advice, whatever. If you are done or you have just finished doing other missions, for example, you did the stuffed turtle, we can't track that unfortunately, but because we are here in Haran prison, but make sure that you take note of the tracked quest whenever you're doing a duplication glitch, whatever duplication glitch it is, because make sure that you would spawn in a safe area or near a safe area, so you have access to a stash. Because for example, if you let's say you have the stuffed turtle, because the stuffed turtle is a quarantine zone, you can get 5 of those stuff or 5 of the drops in that area. So after doing this, and it's still your track mission, when you go back, let's say, to the tower and do the glitch, after the game has loaded, you would be spawning, or you would spawn at the stuffed turtle. So it would take some time, you know, instead of doing the glitch quickly, or you could do it over and over in less time, you have to run back and forth, so it's quite a hassle. So the best location to do this glitch is in Haran prison, because you would just spawn here in this area over and over, and when you spawn, you'll just be facing your stash, so it's very convenient. But if you don't have the Haran prison DLC, because I do believe this is a DLC, right? Yes, it is a DLC. If you don't have this DLC, you could choose other story quests, especially if you still have story quests. You could choose other quests, but make sure that you check the location also. So the location should be near a safe house, or you would spawn at a safe house that has a stash, so you could easily go back to your stash and do this over and over again if you like, or you could check if you've done this correctly. Now let me see. We already have our drops or disaster relief packages in our storage, so this could also work with anything. So whatever it is that you want to duplicate, just make sure that it's inside your storage, and then make sure that you're facing your stash. Alright, so at this point, before doing anything else, we have to go to our settings, and then network, and then from here press the PlayStation button twice. So that's a shortcut. The pressing the PlayStation button twice is actually a shortcut. So from here press matchmaking, and then quick join, and then if you get this warning, there could be another warning, but if you see this warning, remember it's a 3-paragraph warning. It's making sure if you want to join another session, just remember it's a 3-sentence or 3-paragraph, because you may have another one. But if you see this, after pressing X to confirm, press the PlayStation button twice. Okay, if you see if there is another one before this, it's a shorter message, just press X. But if you see this, press X, and then after that the PlayStation button twice. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, from here, disconnect. Okay, go back to the game by pressing the PlayStation button twice, and then let's wait for it to load. Alright, so it has loaded. If you see this, it says connection lost, single player only, then just press X to confirm. But remember this prompt. It says it would load your last checkpoint. If you've seen this, after confirming, press square once, you would see that you are successful. If the game would lag, if not, then you're not successful, and you could do it again. You could try again. Just connect back to the internet, and then you could do everything again. Alright, so after this again, press after pressing X, press square just once. Okay, so let's do that. Actually, I press square twice because it isn't responding to the first press. But yep, you could press several, or you could press square several times until it lags, and you see that you see the screen before it dissolves, or before it loads to black or fades to black, or whatever you call that transition. From here, when you see this, don't press any other buttons or whatever. Just press exactly, or do exactly as I say. You could experiment if you like, but I have tested this several times, and if I press anything else, it crashes. I get the blue screen error. So to be safe, just follow what I say. So press right on your directional pad, and then use the big rectangular button, or touch pad, touch click, whatever you call it. Use it like it's a touchpad on your laptop. So scroll, it's at the bottom. Don't use R2 or the buttons for your directional pad, like down or up. So here it is, we have 48. So let's drop everything. I won't attempt to do this again. If you want, you could do it over and over. Just watch the other video that we have uploaded. I have some tips on how to do this over and over. So, but here I won't attempt that because you might get the blue screen error, or it might fail. So here, press R3 to drop, and then drop all, and then circle to exit. So there it is. Pick it up, and then let's check our stash. So it should be here in our storage, our backpack. It's under the other category. So we have here 48, and then let's check our stash. We should have the same number here. It's also 48. Alright, so hope that you learned something, and I hope that this would help you with your playthrough.